Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Kola. For the newcomers and for the returning subscribers, welcome. In today's video we are going to be washing our legs for those who have cracked toes, knees. Yes, so without wasting much time, I'm going to use this. I'm going to slice 2 lemons inside my water. I'm going to be putting slices of lemons. This is how to get your legs soft and get those who love their legs to be like that of a baby. This is the second lemon. I'm going to be slicing it inside here. So after that, guys, I'm going to add this baking soda inside this mixture of mine. This is enough. I'm going to be pouring inside there. After that, I'll be adding some shower gel, just a little. After that, guys, I'm going to be pouring hot water. After that, guys, I'm going to dip my legs inside this water. The water must be hot so that it can make the legs soft. You can just be dipping and removing the legs from the water. Then I'll be squeezing the lemon water inside this, the lemon juice inside this water. Yes.
Seeing eyes of mine, what do you feel beside? I don't know where we're gonna fly like you did sometimes. Seeing eyes of mine. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll try to fix it. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll change it, change it. Seeing eyes of mine, you see, there are no trees inside of me. In this desert I can look at you with love. Seeing all that I can learn. Can you stay and I will grow? Grow the hanging gardens of Babylon. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll fix it, fix it. Love, 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 I wanna be strong,
soaking your legs in this water, it will help in softening the dead skin so that it can be easily removed. And also for those who have smelly feet, because of the lemon inside the water and the baking soda, it will help in removing that bad odor or regulating those who sweat during when they wear shoes. You sweat. Yes guys, I'll be showing you how my leg is looking before. This is how it has a lot of dead skin around here. So after soaking for around 30 minutes or so, I'm going to be using this. It's called a pumice stone, and this is called a scraper. So I'll just dip them inside there so that they can also get soft. So after that guys, I'm going to scrape out the dead skin using this. You can see it is looking white. So this now is the dead skin. You see here, this the white part around here is now the dead skin. After that, I'll just be applying some lemon juice and leave it and go to the other one. See, this has a lot of them. You can see the scraper has the white, the dead skin in it. As you can see now, it doesn't have cleaned it. This is how it looks when it is clean. So after scraping, this is how it looks with dead skin. So the same way I have done to the other leg, I'll be squeezing some lemon into the leg like this. Just take a slice and apply. After that, I'll be leaving that leg and come to the other leg. Now is the time to use this. This is normally used after scraping out the dead skin, so it will be used to smoothen the leg. So I'll be smoothing with it. Normally remove the freckles, and also it will smoothen the leg and remove the dead skin that maybe it has been left. So guys, we are done with this one leg. This is how it looks. As you can see, it's very, very clean and very, very smooth. Then I'll be finishing off with the other one. By using this smoother very fast. So after that, I'll just be rinsing out the legs with some water. So after that, I'll just be removing the excess water. Wiping off the legs. Then make sure you also remove water under between your toes, and that's how the leg looks like. After that, I'm going to use this Vaseline to apply to my legs very quickly. As you massage in for the legs to absorb as much moisture as possible, then I'll be applying here down the leg and massage the leg. So you also apply the oil under your toes and massage in here the oil very well. As you can see now, my leg is looking lovely and clean. You see? Yes. So we're going to do the same procedure to the other leg. We're applying here. The Vaseline helps the toe to be smooth and prevent other cracks from happening. Yes, and that's how my leg looks like. After that, nice leg treat. Yay! Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell so you will not miss any of my videos, as I normally make videos that you can easily make them at home with ingredients that are readily made, that with ingredients that are readily available in your kitchen. So welcome to this channel. If you are new, please subscribe with the notification bell. Don't forget to like this video.